Tervetuloa and welcome to Learn Finnish with me, where we learn Finnish in fun and easy way. Today we are going to learn the word like this, that, this, and those. They are very helpful when you want to talk about things near or far from you. Let's learn them together. Tämä is the Finnish word for this, and we use it when talking about something that is close to us. It used with singular noun, meaning we use it when we are talking about one thing. Example, Tämä kukka on punainen. This flower is red. Tuo is the Finnish word for that, and we use it when talking about something that is farther away from us. It used with singular noun. Example, tuo kukka on keltainen. That flower is yellow. Nämä is the Finnish word for this, and we use it when talking about more than one thing that is close to us. It's the plural form of Tämä, when you are talking about multiple things that are near you. Example, nämä kukat ovat punaisia. These flowers are red. Let me clarify the plural form of kukka becomes kukat in Finnish. To make most noun plural, you add the plural suffix ti. The plural form of kukka is kukat, so kukka becomes kukat because of the regular rule of pluralization in Finnish, where you add ti to make a noun plural. Why does punainen change to punaisia? Punainen becomes punaisia when describing more than one object in plural form. This is a regular rule for adjective in Finnish. Nuo is the Finnish word for those. We use nuo when talking about multiple things that are far away from us. It's the plural form of tuo, and it's used with the plural nouns. Example, nuo kukat ovat keltaisia. Those flowers are yellow. Keltainen changed to keltaisia because it shows more than one thing, and it's used in a special case called the partitive. Now you know how to talk about things that are close or far away, like tämä, tuo, nämä, and nuo. Keep practicing and you will get even better. Kiitos kun katsoit. Heippa!